Mbiamano mwancho murigeri bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bwo mu Gusii ngwege na ritko rya ondigenderete ko baritoera rukigima nane no genderete kwego kya kubwatia emiroberio yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV ekerorire ritko rya Ijuma tariki 5 cy'umutinyi 10 omwaka w'ekiwibere na 2022 nekinga kibono omurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto abeire gakumerana n'omurai Oseno murai otenderete obomo bwe Chinsa yore ase egeikaro kya emeronketano nemo igoro yogo kwanero gochenchia kwerire nabo igo abarai au omureoberio beirego korekana ase nyomba yoburai ya State House ime yo mucho Nairobi nechinga kichingiye kero cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere kerongo kwariga ninkomanye nara yankwariganirete asenchira ere yobwenge yenda gutubwate sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyore wetra Ndizi TV News nabo ogo tweetwetra Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yaito nigora tobwatu wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendere gusanga na yamankiri tariane Everline Osero kabanenchi wika omwerio Mancho murireria Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere nigongo kwariga ntochage kurwase county ya Kisii awase omu director bobotenenirwe chichiro na magendro ase county ya Kisii Zakarimose abereka gukwanira igoro yobonchoreria na magendro ase county ya Kisii gukwana negetaseni kya Ndizi TV nigo Zakari abereka kubakera mbia mono abonchoreria kurwase omu cyobosongo anena se chiro ya daraja 2 ase okoenekyo botoireru naboigo omorembe kinga kyo kubachora abateneneri babo abarachikobara bunenchire ya moyo gokinya sector yobonchoreria ase chireyo
na Marieta Zakarimose director ya markets Kisii county government igongo tebanga twakore daraja 2 ase chikura tware wakia ande na ase lichikoriro rori bekireria serikali igorunga Kisii County Trade and Markets Act of 2015 gotenga management of the markets totware market committees ase twakorere bwango iga daraja 2 moma etenero nechire nene region yons na ndabantu bakore biasara ale bare side elfunane gonto akole chikura korwase chi sector cyarenge 47 tukachora bara yororo abarai bakaba na delegates bagacha gochora the executive y'abantu batano next week ndo bange to orientation yabo una leaders banyare ko bakumanya amachiko ya serikali bamaye ko bakumana kigasi yabonereri bono uno twakore daraja chichiro nechi nyinge chiatakire bono chikure chiakwe kera chinga kicheikire ngwana torebo town CBD na aro tokori chikura turoro ngwana tore Keumbu ngwana tore Kenyanya ngwana tore Nyakoe chichiro chinyinge bono totarakora kitigarete side ya mia igo anara itobwate na ndo morobe nogendrete ndogendere ko bamanyia ngaitwe ikire na nengikegendrete Nababunge korwase omrengo o Azimio la Umoja One Kenya nigo babiri bakwemurunganiria okona chako monogeri webunkene Moses Wetangula aburi tukuregoro askeri bagote na tabwate tieri chiko kurengana guseko bwatkana nokona choko omo gose monogeri webunkene Moses Wetangula nigo ayatebete buna aba gose abachumbe korwase omrengo o Kenya kwanza nigo barabanke kere kurenganwa na bariabo bomo bwa Azimio la Umoja awase Kenya kwanza ebwate ababunge emyeyemo 52 na kianda ase obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja nere bwate ababunga bare emyeyemo 55 babere.
This is the capture of parliament by the executive. It has begun. It is for the first time a speaker in his place is removing members of parliament from one party to another party. He has become the registrar of political parties. He is the Speaker of the National Assembly Regional Court. He has decided that he is the court. Regional Court. He has decided that he is the court, he is the registrar, and he is the Speaker. Now, this is a very dark day for our country. We have told him, can we say something on the floor? I asked for a point of order. He refused.
Dictatorship. And dictatorship can come from the executive, it can come from the legislature, and it can come from the judiciary. What we have witnessed today is dictatorship by parliament and through the speaker. Kenyans gave registrar of political parties exclusive mandates to manage political party affairs. There is no any other office in the Republic of Kenya unless it is the judiciary interpreting the law.
Baraza y'abagavana nigo bakwaneire iguru y'ekibesa cy'obukoreri bw'amagendero ase County emironkena na Isano na Ibere imeyense ya Kenya ukwana n'abariki amangana y'umucyo Nairobi bakorawa n'umunyakero bobo anu iguru nigo baganiriye serikali ko bwatuka kibesa gutya ase County eriyo kogenderera emeroberio au ase County imeyense.
As county governments, we are duty bound to provide smooth and uninterrupted service delivery to every citizen. However, the current financial situation across the 47 county governments is devastating. We wish to inform members of the public that the Constitution and the Public Finance Management Act 2012 requires that the National Treasury to disburse to counties on the 15th day of every month without undue delay. However, as at today, the total outstanding arrears owed to counties stands at Kenya shillings 51,701,700.
We have three porous areas. The western frontier, where we have the neighboring counties with Uganda, that is Gusii, Kisumu, Kakamega, and also Mombasa, because we have travelers who go directly, probably through the other side, and they get to Mombasa. Luckily, we are just out of the COVID-19 scenario, which is not very, very different from Ebola. And three pertinent concerns and issues is: one, COVID is not like Ebola exactly, and therefore we need training for our staff. How do they handle it? How do they identify it? And therefore there is need to have training as a matter of emergency to our medical staff, especially those who are in those counties that are neighboring Uganda, and even the rest of Kenya, because we said human beings are mobile, the disease can move. Second issue is even as you train them on how to handle the victims, how to identify the diseases, how protected are they as staff? So that brings a pertinent issue of the PPEs, that the protective clothing that we had very many issues during the COVID.
Ekiombe ky'abantu bamenyete n'oborema korwase county ya Tharaka Nithi nigo barereira makongware bagwetera na nene ase ugutenyorwa ne serikali nabona nigo baganirie abarayi ko bari bagause ko baobokonye bwendagera neye ngo batkana no muchando bumurakera uyogenderete kwenekiwa ase ensemeyo ngake chibayigo nigo baganirie abarayi abo ko baenekeria buna banyorire chikad gose chebibande byabo ebyo birabakonye ase ukumanyekana ekero chinga gose kwagachwa sense Meyo anene yora chikokonya abana bali babwate okugania wekerengo kya iguru.
Naomba serikali tusaidie na NSIF tufunguzwe pesa siwa kindogo sababu hatuna nguvu za kulipa kama bila wale wengine wanalipa.
Naomba serikali tusaidie na msaada. Kwa mfano niseme nikianzilia kwanza niseme jambo la kwanza huku kwetu Dhiti kuko na njaa sana na sisi watu wa disabled hatuna nguvu yoyote ile ya kutafuta sakura. Maana kuko na wengine wako manyumbani, hata wale unaona hapa tu wengine wanakuja kuwakilisha watoto wao.
Tuko hapa kuomba serikali usaidizi, watushughulikie na watukumbuke kama watu ambao wamepungukiwa. Tunawaomba mtusaidie, serikali tusaidie na chakula.
Ababwatani korwase kiombe kia Intergovernmental Authority and Development in East Africa IGAD nigo bagenderete kumera na imeyo mucho Nairobi eri gukwanira igoro y'umuchando bumurakera uyogenderete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo awa imense ya Kenya nabo igo ase orogongo rwa Africa nigo bakageire kubeke meroberio yogo cha kwenekia buna umuchando bumurakera atori go chiago kokose nigo goseko rya chinchera cyogo konya mwanya bantu korwaso wakwa no muchando yo anene obaire gokorokana koirera magima y'abantu gusira na boigo etugo.
Somalia, Eastern Ethiopia, Northern Kenya. But strangely also we have floods that have persisted in South Sudan and Sudan. On the last assessment, there were over 47 rainy season that has just started October, November, December. will be below average. But also models are suggesting that the rainy season early on next year, the March, April, May, will be also below average, because we are almost quite sure next year will be a La Nina year. Usually when you have a La Nina year, you have below average rains. When we have a El Nino year, we have a above average